Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and learning this language in a great way. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I'm going to describe Odisha in English. Why Odisha? Because it is my hometown. I was born and brought up in Odisha. I had been in Odisha for 18 years. Since 2018 to present, I have been in Mumbai because I am a working professional. I work as a chef in the hospitality industry, and I have been working in the hospitality industry for the last 8 years. So, because of my work, I'm having to stay here in Mumbai. Yesterday, I described Mumbai in English, and today I thought of describing Odisha in English because it's my hometown. Why I'm describing states in English? Because I want to improve my English. So in this video, I'm going to share Odisha's culture, tradition, classical dance, ancient temples, and many more things. If you are visiting Odisha for the first time, I would tell you which places you should visit. So please watch this video till the end. So first of all, let's talk about Odisha. What is Odisha? So Odisha is a very beautiful state full of nature. It is located on eastern coast of India. It is known for its rich culture, tradition, traditional food, classical dance, ancient temples, and many more things. And Odisha has 30 districts, and one of the biggest districts is Mayurbhanj. And if I talk about the population of Odisha, it is about 4.2 crore people. Okay, and this is all about this is basic things about Odisha. So now let's talk about the culture. When it comes to the culture, Odisha is very rich in culture. It's very beautiful, and Odisha's people are very kind, honest, wholehearted. They are hardworking. Uh, Odisha's people are very compassionate, welcoming, and we believe that there are 13 biggest festivals in Odisha, and we celebrate each festivals in a grand way. Odisha is a state where art, music, and dance festivals are an important part of everyday life. We celebrate each and every festivals in a grand way with our family members and communities, and that's what makes Odisha's culture truly special. So this is all about Odisha's culture. So now let's talk about the famous places that has in Odisha. You know, guys, Odisha has many uh, beautiful places. The first place I would recommend you to visit is Lord Jagannath Temple. Lord Jagannath Temple is very famous. It is one of the most famous temples uh, in India, which is located in Puri district. There are many more temples like Lokanath Temple, Konark Sun Temple, Chilika Lake. There are two national parks. One is Bhitarkanika, another one is Similiparo. They are two national parks, and in that park, there are many wild animals like tigers, bears, or crocodiles, monkeys, and many different type of snakes are there. So and elephants are there also. So if you are visiting Odisha for the first time, so you should visit these places. You should visit Chilika Lake and Udayagiri, Khandagiri caves, and Konark Temple, Puri beaches, and Puri Temple as well. Lokanath Temple, which is located in Bhubaneswar. Puri Temple is located in Puri district. Okay, so you should visit these places. So these are some famous, beautiful places in Odisha. And if we talk about the famous food in Odisha, Odisha has some traditional foods like rice water. Rice water is very famous in Odisha. It is called Pakhala Bhata in Odia. We eat it for breakfast, for lunch, and dinner. It depends on people. It depends on people, like they what time they prefer to have rice water. It is eaten for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Some people prefer to eat for breakfast, some people prefer to eat for lunch, and some people prefer to eat for dinner. And we eat it with potato fry and some vegetables fry like karela fry and brinjal fry. So, and sago is one of the most traditional food in Odisha. So we eat sago, body chura, dohi baigano, dalma, khichdi, and ghanto. If I talk about sweets, there are two sweets which are very famous. One is a rasgulla, another one is chanapodo. Chanapodo is one of the traditional sweet dish in Odisha. It's very famous. Okay, so if you are visiting Odisha, I would highly recommend you to eat or try these foods. Okay, so now let's talk about the famous festivals in Odisha. As I told you that there are 13 biggest festivals in Odisha, and one of the biggest festivals is Rath Yatra. Millions of devotees come to Puri Lord Jagannath temple to celebrate this festival. And there is a sea whenever a person, means whenever a devotee goes to Puri to pilgrimage, for pilgrimage, there is a sea near Lord Jagannath temple. It is called Puri beach. So whenever a devotee goes to visit Lord Jagannath temple to offer his prayers, first of all he will go to Puri beach. He will take a bath there. After that, he will go to Lord Jagannath temple and he will offer his prayers. He can offer some sweets as a prasad. So I have already explained, I have already told you that what are some famous food we have. So now let me talk about my personal experience in Odisha. As I told you in the beginning that I had been in Odisha for 18 years. So I spent my childhood in Odisha. After completing my 10th, I came to Mumbai for work. But before that, I had been in Odisha for 18 years. And I spent my childhood, I studied there. I grew up uh, by nature, warm-hearted people, festivals, and now I live and work in Mumbai. So whenever I visit Odisha, it reminds me of my family, my roads, and many more things. I feel peaceful and refreshed when I visit Odisha. I go to Odisha once in a year or 1.5 years. I don't visit Odisha regularly. I go to Odisha very rarely. So because of my work, I stay here in Odisha, stay here in Mumbai. So, so in my opinion, Odisha is one of the state which is underrated uh, in India. It has many beautiful places, many beautiful temples, but it is underrated. So if you get an opportunity to visit Odisha, you should definitely visit, and you should definitely uh, visit those places that I have recommended, and you should try those food that I have recommended in this video. So this is all about Odisha. I hope you understand. My English is not that much good, but still I tried to explain it to you. I hope you understand everything. And if you are a spoken English learner, try to describe your state in English. It will help you to speak English naturally. It will help you to think in English. This is all about things. I hope you understand. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.